Namaskar, I am Biju George, taking care of the model farm activity at Escorts Training and Development Center, Chandapura, Bangalore. Today here I am sharing you the experiences on the marketing practices what he have followed during the entire crop cycle. My experience was seen that with the assured returns, we have better profitability for the crop, and it was continued for the next seasons. So the next action what I have done was I have explored the market, found different parties who can give good prices. Out of list of the 4 parties, I have shortlisted one party who can give an assured price. So once the party was finalized, the buyback prices were fixed at our farm gate, which gives us assured returns after the crop. The party we have finalized was his requirement was every day, alternate days, he need to have 200 to 250 kg of our producers. So the requirement was to plant the saplings in a staggered way. Means in a week we will transplant in 2 days. Okay, Monday we will transplant, after 4 days we will transplant the same number of seedlings and same variety crop on the next day. So like that, my experience was we have done continuous transplanting of seedlings for the 6 weeks. Means you will have to complete your transplant in 12 days. So this will help the farmer to harvest your producers in every alternate days, which will help the buyer also to sell the producers in a better price. We also can supply him continuously for the next 2 months. Same vegetables. So now my confidence is whatever I am producing here will assuredly we can sell it. So buyer has assured that he will come at the farm gate and buy all the producers. So nothing is going to waste. As a farmer, my responsibility is to produce the better quality and better yield from this crop. The buyer will come on every alternate days. My experience is we are on every alternate days we can harvest 200 to 250 kg of different producers what is available in the field, and it can continue for the next 2 months. With this, there won't be too much produce which will dump to the market so that the market will collapse. The benefit of staggered way is, so in a conventional way farmers they do planting in one single day and all the harvest come in one day, which will result in lower price for the produce. So that is why I have adopted this new technique. Conventionally farmers do the planting in a single day so that all the harvest comes in single day. See, don't grow a single crop. The benefit of growing multiple crops, here you can see that here we are growing in one field, we are growing different crops. The benefit is, again based on the market demand, we can harvest it and we can get a better price for it. I suggest to the farmer friends, don't grow single crop. You should grow multiple crops. It means there is a price drop in one crop, you can compensate the price in the other crops. There is a saying, don't put all the eggs in a single basket. So there will be farmer produce organizations, Kisan Sangh, customer cooperative societies in your area. I suggest you please connect with these people so that you can grow the right crops and you can get the right prices. Today the major problems faced by the farmers is getting farm labor. So with the staggered way and continuous harvest, from day one you can employ minimum 2 people in your farm so that your transplant also will happen continuously, your de-weeding or other activity also will happen continuously, and even it will continue up to the harvest of the producers. So that minimum 2 people can be engaged in your farm. You don't need to run around daily for the farm labor. This will solve your problem, reducing your manpower cost and the labor shortage. So this will give an emotional connect for the farm labor who has transplanted, who has grown up, who has owned it, and the same person will be harvesting it. So there will be a pride for the labor. Once if you are engaging 2 people in your farm, you don't need to continuously train it. We need to give quality produce to the market. Once the people are trained, they will take care of the right producers at the right time of harvest. If all the harvest comes in one day, we need multiple people. Whereas in case of staggered way, you need only 2 people for continuous harvest on every alternate days, which will give you a very good quality produce, as well as your effort is less on training. With the staggered way, demand versus supply will be better, and it will give a better price which will meet the market demand. These are the few marketing practices followed by me, and hope this will help you all. Thank you.